Tired of staring at a blank screen, wishing for magic? Welcome to the era of no-code tools. Let's jump straight in. Meet ChatGPT, your new writing sidekick. Need a catchy invite for your dog's birthday bash? Just type what you want, hit enter, and boom, party pros ready in seconds. Next up, image magic. Want your pup's face on a superhero body? Midjourney can do that. DALL-E can do that. Just describe it. Draw a corgi in a cape, flying over a birthday cake. Seconds later, instant art, no drawing skills required. But what if you want your invite to talk? Enter 11 Labs. Type your words, pick a voice, and suddenly your dog's party invite is talking like a movie trailer. Yep, voice cloning. No studio, no fancy mics, just pure AI fun. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius. If you can send a text, you can use these tools. Social media posts, custom memes, podcast intros, personalized gifts. AI's got your back. So, next time inspiration strikes, but your skills fall short, remember, no-code tools are here to do the heavy lifting. All you have to do is imagine. Ready to get started? The future's not just for coders, it's for creators, just like you.